that's coming in. The Kerala High Court has ordered for a total ban on protests and demonstrations in the state till the 31st of July. The order comes after a petition was filed in court, which a bench headed by Chief Justice has ordered that the central guidelines on COVID-19 should be implemented and that DGP and Chief Secretary should make sure that the guidelines are followed and hence there should be no protests that should be allowed. Vivek joining us for more details. Vivek, take us through what you know.
Exactly. Now the Kerala High Court has clearly ordered that until the 31st of July that there should not be any kind of protest or demonstrations that should be held in the streets of Kerala. Now this comes after a petition that's been filed in the court. Remember, in the last few days there has been n number of protests, especially protests against the state government by the opposition party, the Congress and the BJP. In many of these protests, there was widespread allegations, and also prima facie informations were, many leaders and many, youth wing organization leaders were found flouting, the protocols. Basically, you can see them without, wearing the mask and without, having the PPE kits. So, this is something which is clearly showing that, people don't much care about all these social distancing protocols, and this has been displayed in public view, and it is out in the media also. So taking all these things into consideration, the Kerala High Court has clearly said that no more protest and no more demonstration, at least until the 31st of this month. If anyone found flouting these norms and regulations, if any organizations or any political party or any youth organization is found flouting these norms and regulations, will be dealt with, and the Chief Secretary and the DGP of the state has been, enthused with this particular job of, finding them. And if at all they are found violating the norms, the DGP and the Chief Secretary can come forward and take action against them as per the rule of the law. So this means that, the High Court has come down heavily against these protesters. Also, the ruling party, especially many of these ministers, the chief minister has made it very clear in these press conferences that people should stop protesting in large numbers, mainly because if you look at the number of cases in Kerala on a daily basis, at least 100 cases. Now yesterday it was 610 cases. It's the highest number in the state in the last 4 months, and so taking all these things into view, the Kerala High Court has made it very, very clear that no more protest or no more demonstrations, because in most of these cases what happens is that these youngsters, especially these protesters, what happens is they come out in large numbers and they raise slogans, they show their anger, they show their resentment against the government. So what happens is that they forget to follow the social distancing norms, and there are very good chances that the infections could spread in such a manner where it could spread into a large number,
right.
and hence the High Court has come out with this decision.
Right, absolutely, Vivek. Right, absolutely, Vivek. Thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.